All right, Kisley.
Yes, sir.
So in our last class, we I talked about the software development life cycle, where we discussed about from the planning, we have the planning. After planning, what do you do next? You develop the development, followed by development. After the development, what next? We actually test what we have
There's the testing.
developed. After testing it, if it's okay with what we have in mind, what do we do next? You actually deploy your host, is it not?
Yes.
Good. So for deploying and hosting, if there's any other business idea that needs to be patched up, again, we plan and the cycle continues. So, and I mentioned that software development have to do with two major parts. We have the front-end development and we have the back-end development. And when it comes to the front-end development, the major technologies we use or the major languages we use is what? HTML, CSS,
HTML, CSS.
and JavaScript. So, and I started by talking about HTML, where I said that HTML is more like the structure of the whole development cycle. So let's say, and I used a building as an example, where I said if you're trying to build a house, first things first, you have to get the structure of the building to a certain level before you actually start plastering, painting, and applying furniture, maybe doing your electrical wirings and the rest of them. So you can't actually start. Have you seen a building that they have started applying furniture or painting without actually erecting the building? It's not possible. You must have to erect that building, which is the laying of blocks. So HTML is fundamental in web development. So it gives the websites or the websites you are creating, gives you the structure, the basic structure it needs. So, and when talking about, then we started, we installed the VSC code, and then we started writing some lines of code. And I mentioned two actually important things that HTML does, which is what? Elements and attributes, elements tags or attributes, elements tags and attributes. And I said something about elements where and tags said they can be used interchangeably. I hope you're hearing me.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay, good. All right. So let me quickly share my screen. So let's go through some stuff. To share my entire screen.